Hello, my name is Rami Alkadri, and today I'm going to give you a rundown of what I did in the MP3. So, as you can see on my emulator, the first glaring change that I made was that I added icons to indicate what type of place the marker was marking for. So, for restaurants, it would be a fork and knife icon. For recreation, it would be a cup of coffee. Um, and for education, it would be a book icon. And let me show you what I added to the add place activity screen. So as you can see, you have your description here, nothing new, but at the bottom I added a radio button layout so the person can indicate whether they're adding a restaurant, a place to study, recreation, or other. So for this case, let's just say we added a restaurant, press save, and as you can see, it's right here and it has the restaurant icon. And another feature that I'm working on adding right now is the filter. So if you check the box over here, checking a restaurant would show you restaurants, checking education would show you education buildings and so on. However, an issue I'm running into in implementing this is that when you deselect the checkbox, the restaurant icons don't go away. So that's something I'm gonna have to work on for the future. So let me go into some of the resources that I used for this MP. So the first thing I used was this website teaching me about how to implement a radio button into my app. I was looking for a way to have multiple options for buttons, but not allow the user to select multiple buttons at once. And this website basically taught me how to implement all that. Um, this website is from the Android actual website, Android Studio actual website, and they taught me how to add drawables to your app and in the resource manager so that I could add my own images and use them as icons. Um, this is the marker class. It just showed me the methods that I needed to use to actually change the image and icon of the marker. So as you can see here, there's a set icon method, and I also use a set image method from this website. Um, this just this was just a website telling me how to basically tell the app when a certain checkbox had been checked. And that's how I worked out for the filter. And here's just my proof for uploading my code to the repository. And as you can see, 27 minutes ago, added new icons and features to specify the type of place. And then one challenge that I ran into while trying to implement the icons was that at first I decided to use icons from Android's drawable website. They have a bunch of default icons that I could use, and I added that to my code. But on the map, the icons they provided did not look very aesthetically pleasing, and I wanted to have a pin. So I actually found my own image from the internet. But the problem with the image was one, that it would have a white background, and that it was so large that it would actually fill up the entire screen. So like this one little pin here would fill up almost the entire map. So what I had to do to fix this was, one, I had to use this website, which helped me scale down the dimensions, and the perfect dimensions I found were 40 by 40. I just put my image here and it would rescale it. And this website here helped me remove the white background and convert the image to a PNG. So instead of seeing like a white little square here, um, the pin would actually be transparent, so you can even see through the map a little bit on the pin. Yeah, that's my demo for my project. Thank you for watching. See you later.